Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. Okay, I am Pearlumie and I'm a crypto and forex trader. I'm currently doing an 100 days trading challenge, after which I'll go back to posting videos 3 times a week. Okay, so today's topic is Bitcoin. I'll be talking about Bitcoin on the weekly chart, on the daily chart, and on the 4 hour. Okay, so basically I'll be talking about what I feel about Bitcoin right now and giving price projections. Okay, so BTC is currently at 57,380, and here's what I think. Now I think this is the first time BTC is getting back into the 57,000 57K range since May. That was the last time BTC was in that range. Okay, so it took BTC a lot of months to get back into this range, and from what I see, I think what we are currently seeing could be could most likely be could most likely be a complex pullback from the major move. Like BTC came down here, and it took I think a few months before BTC could move this much and then came back down. So this looks like a complex pullback to me, and I wouldn't act otherwise until I see BTC break out of this resistance, which is about 58,000. Okay, until BTC breaks out of 58,000 and holds the position, I won't be taking a buy on BTC. I won't be taking any buy on BTC. So taking this as a complex pullback, I am expecting price to most likely bounce from the top here down to probably 40K, or let's say 30K. Okay, probably 20, I mean 40K or 30K. Okay, and even before that, I think we had an H&S that didn't confirm. We had an H&S that didn't confirm. Usually when that happens, price just goes through the roof. But in this case, it's taking BTC a very, very long time to do that, which I think makes it easy to think that okay, the bulls, I mean the bears are very much in the market at this time. Okay, so I would like to go down to the daily chart to see what BTC is saying there. Okay, from the daily chart, okay, what I can see here is the way BTC has been moving across the price, the momentum of Bitcoin has not been really strong. I think the strongest momentum we've had was around July. Was around July. BTC went straight, I think 7-8 candles without, like 7-8 days without a single red candle. Okay, and since then BTC has been, the momentum has not been strong. It's forming something looking like a rounding top or something. Okay, it's forming something that looks like a rounding top, which is what I um traced out here. And if that happens, we might still be looking at the same range or lower. BTC might be coming down to about 32,000 or less. BTC might be coming down to 32,000 or less. And I think last night, while I was analyzing BTC, I didn't really see much of action around this place, like much of conviction on the part of the buyers until this morning. And I think that might not be good, because for a few days, people were, like, the buyers were not convinced that the price could go higher, so people were not really buying Bitcoin, and it kept Bitcoin in this range for a few days. It kept Bitcoin in this range for a few days. Okay, quickly I would like to check the 4 hour. Okay, on the 4 hour, yeah, it is very clear. The consolidation we saw on the daily is much clearer here. Much clearer here. Okay, I think I can draw this like this. Okay, this in most cases too would probably mean that price might you might be seeing lower prices soon, and this consolidation I think might mean there might be a breakout, an impending breakout. This could go either way very soon. So we'll be looking out for where price is going to break out from. Although price has crossed this line, but of course we have not seen the close of the candle yet. So it is really too late. I mean too early to say that price is going to close above this. But most times when I see this price breaks out downward, when I see an up sloping wedge, price in most cases breaks out downward. So I'm thinking this might still be the case for Bitcoin, but let's see how it works. Let's see how it goes. Okay, whichever one BTC does first. Would it break 58K first, or would it break 54? Now, if I see BTC close below let's say this is 56.7. Okay, if BTC closes, this 4 hour closes below 56.7, then I'll be looking out for lower prices on Bitcoin. Having said that, BTC might still break this zone and fall back in the same way it did somewhere here, the same way it did somewhere here. I think we had a zone here before, the same way it did somewhere here. Okay, so BTC might still break and fall back in. Okay, might break and fall back in, but I'll be looking closely. But if I have to put my money on which way, I'll be putting my money on a downward movement, because I feel it is more likely to go down from here. Okay, thank you for coming for the 96th day of the 100 days of technical analysis. And do have a wonderful day. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.